So now let's see how we can work with fonts. So now let's start with changing font. So you can see that TutorTube right here is using the Arial font. So as I click and drag on it, you can see that on the top, Arial is chosen. So you can click on this and choose from various fonts that you have right here. Let's say, for example, you're going to go for Impact, simply click here and the font is changed. You can also select a portion and then change that particular font just like that as well. So I'm just going to select this and I'm going to go around onto font. So you can scroll down and you can go around and choose the font you want. So now what you can do is you can increase and decrease the font size by typing in the font size right here. Let's say, for example, you can type in 70 and that's how you can increase the size. You can click over here and choose around, let's say, for example, this one, and the font gets resized accordingly. You can click on the minus button right here or the plus button to increase and decrease the font size dynamically as well. So now what you can do is you can go around and change out the font and the font size just like that. You can select out particular font, you can change out the font size and get the look you want just like that. So that is how you can adjust the font. You can select the font and font size and change the font type inside of Google Slides. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.